Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claire. If you're new here, if you're coming over from Trish or Wendy's channel, thank you so much for coming over and checking mine out. So this is a collaboration with Trish and Wendy. They are my Instagram besties and I've been following them for such a long time. They've both decided to join the YouTube family and I'm so excited for them. Wendy's about 5 weeks in and Trish is about 2 months in. So what better way to celebrate than doing a Halloween resin collaboration. This is my offering. I made four Halloween coasters and I have to say these are my favourite coasters that I've ever made, mainly because I took my time. I gave them a really nice, cute, domed top coat and they're just really neat and I'm really happy. But anyway, I hope you love the video. When you finish watching mine, make sure you head on over, share the love with Trish and Wendy. It's free to subscribe so we can all be one big resin happy family. But yeah, girls, I cannot wait to see what you've made and yeah, I'm so excited for this. So I will see you all at the end of the video. I hope you love it and I'll see you there. So the moulds I'm using are these silicone coaster moulds. You would have seen me use these a long time ago if you've been with me a while. They're from Amazon. I will link them below. They're just perfect for coaster size. I'm going to use 4 of these. The first thing I'm going to do is decorate these. So I typed into Google free printable sugar skull, free printable female skull, those kind of words, and these are the pictures that I absolutely loved that it came up with. So I've got two of this one and 2 of this one here. I absolutely love them. My plan is to put these into the coasters, but I've decided to add some colour and I think that colour is going to have to be red. This is that glitter glue. I found out from last Halloween this works in resin really nicely. So yeah, I'm going to use this to decorate the girls. That's the plan. Once they're dry, I will pour a layer of resin and get going. been 12 hours. So I'm going to take them out of their moulds now, and then I'm going to top coat them out of the moulds, because you will know if you've done resin for a while, it goes up the sides. So to save me sanding, I'm just going to top coat them and give them a bit of a dome, and that's them done. I'm hoping you like these. I absolutely love. Here they are 24 hours later. I have to tell you now that I think these are my favourite coasters I've ever made. They are slick and smooth. Look at that top coat. It has given it the most perfect dome and the shine. I adore them so much. And because they were made facing up, it's given them a beautiful bottom as well. I just love, absolutely love everything about these. Yeah, so I'm going to be putting some rubber dots on the bottom so they can become coasters, and yeah, I really love them. Let me know what you think. These are going to be available on my Etsy store, which I will link below. If you don't know, I have recently set up an Etsy, so thank you so much if you've already checked that out. But yeah, I really hope, oh look at the shine, oh look at the shine. I really hope you love these, and do be sure to go head over, check out Trish and Wendy's channels. Girls, I cannot wait to see what you've made. Go share some love with them, and yeah, let's support each other. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.